We'll now look at the trig functions for 30 and 60 degrees, and in order to do that, the easiest way I think is use a triangle. The smallest angle I'm going to call 30, which is the same as pi over 6 in radians. The larger angle, not the right angle, is 60 degrees, which is pi over 3 in radians. It can be proven using geometry that because we use ratios for trig functions, opposite the 30 you can call that side 1. Opposite the right angle, which is the hypotenuse, you can call that 2. And opposite the 60 would have a measure of square root of 3. So then, for example, if I wanted the cosine squared of 60 degrees, I would take the cosine of 60 and square it. So the cosine of 60 is adjacent, which is 1, over hypotenuse, which is 2. And when I square that, I get 1/4. If I wanted the tangent of pi over 3, I would look at the opposite side to pi over 3, which is the square root of 3, and put it over the adjacent side, which is 1, and I get the answer square root of 3. So this can all be done without a calculator. If I wanted 1 minus sine squared of 60 degrees, for example, I would take 1 minus the sine of 60 and then square that. So the sine of 60, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so I would take 1 minus square root of 3 is opposite the 60, 2 is the hypotenuse. I then square that, and I get 1 minus 3/4 for a final answer of 1/4.